Good morrow. I'm an actor. I came the moment I received your text.
I sent that 4 hours ago.
Yeah, he wasn't a very fast runner.
Well, basically,
Yeah, sorry, can I just stop you there? I am a massive Shakespeare fan. Whatever this part, I shall not let you down.
Okay, well, basically...
Oh, is it Richard III?
Now is the winter of our discontent.
No, it's not.
Oh, is it Hamlet? To be or not to be?
It's not to be.
Okay. Oh, is it Henry V?
Once more into the breach, dear friends. Once more.
It's not Henry V.
Okay, what is the role?
Well, basically, they had bear baiting and dog fighting in here last night. We need you to clear up the bear poo before the audience arrives. Actually, you should probably clear up the dog poo while you're at it. And a bit of dog.
Oh.
Well, once more under the breach, dear friend. Once more. Oh, I think you've trod in,
Oh.
Actually, I think that's one of mine.
Oh, surely that's bear poo.
Yeah, that's bear poo.